Brought to you in association with ITWeb, the first checkpoint security tour to come to South Africa took place at the Radisson Blu Gautrain in Sandton on 14 March.
Hello, my name is Amnon Barlev and I'm the president of Checkpoint Software Technologies. Yes, I did a presentation about the trends in security overall. It's based on a report that Checkpoint published at the beginning of the year. And the report is actually based on about 1,000 companies that we scan their network to find if there's malicious software inside of their network, if the data leakage from their environment. We found out that about 63% of organizations have bots inside the network. About 61% of them running peer-to-peer application, which is quite a malicious one or can be a malicious one. And about 54% of organization has some kind of a data leakage. So overall, we found out that there are a lot of activities going on. And of course, we discussed the way we can protect against those malicious security activities happening in their network, which is basically building an infrastructure, not just a point solution, with multi-layer of prevention, not just detection, and centrally manage them. If we do it correctly, we probably have a solution that will solve about 90 to 95% of the incidents that we've seen in those networks.
The event provided attendees with an essential overview of threat landscape, as well as key findings from the 2013 security report.
So my name is Guy Lupo. I'm the Security Engineer Regional Manager for Middle East and Africa. So the event to date is very rich with information about the latest technologies Checkpoint provide. We present or we show to the customers what are the risks in today's communication, internet communication. When we're talking about internet communication, we think about hackers, we think about attacks, but we do not fully realize the size and the level of this type of attacks that exist in day-to-day business. So from this event today, through the presentation, we are covering all the functionalities that Checkpoint can provide to our customers to provide better security to the organization to meet today's and future involvement in security.
It also covered security best practices, new product reviews, and hands-on demos.
Mark Wolf, I'm the security engineer for Checkpoint in South Africa. Now, I think the two biggest exciting technologies that I'm seeing coming down the line, and this is from a Checkpoint perspective, is our governance, risk and compliance blade, which is now going to be put into our security gateways. So we will be able to measure compliance, which no other security vendor currently does. This is a first by Checkpoint, and I think it's an awesome innovation. The second is zero-day prevention against malicious attacks, and that's with our threat emulation blade that will be coming down the line shortly. And that definitely is a breakthrough. I think it's an incredible way of stopping attacks before they get into the environment, and they will be very accurately stopped because we're able to emulate what would happen if the code was actually in the environment. And I think those are two new breakthroughs which no other security vendor actually currently has on the existing perimeter security offerings.
Key decision makers and influencers were presented with valuable insight on Checkpoint's product line for 2013, and were also given an opportunity to meet with esteemed top-level executives from Checkpoint's Israeli and US locations.
My name is Itai Greenberg. I'm a product line manager in Checkpoint. I think it's a very good opportunity for attendees, whether they use Checkpoint or not, to learn about the threat in the industry, the threats that are happening today on the internet, all the exploits, the malware, and to understand what is going on right now. You know, like what are the bad guys, the hackers are trying to do, and then for those that are using Checkpoint, looking to use Checkpoint, they can benefit from understanding what we have today to offer, how they can fight against those type of bad things that are happening, and moving forward also to understand how Checkpoint is helping them to do it with a unified, comprehensive solution.